a culinary herb originating from Eurasia and North Africa. Thyme is a kitchen staple, known for its strong fragrance, often used in French, Italian, and Mediterranean cuisines. Since the ancient period, this fragrant herb has been used in hair treatments. But the question is, how do you use thyme as part of your hair care routine? Keep watching until the end, for I will reveal the different ways to use thyme to promote hair growth and thickness. I will also share the benefits of thyme for hair. So let us get started. First, let us find out the medicinal power of thyme. Traditionally, thyme is used for cooking and topical treatment. Its essential oil is used in cosmetics, toiletries, and even as a food preservative. Due to its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory compounds, thyme oil was added to mouthwash products. This herb is a popular natural stimulant that helps improve blood flow, which benefits the scalp and hair. Its medicinal powers are credited to the flavonoids, phenolic acids, and tannins found in thyme. When applied topically, thyme promotes hair growth and strengthens hair follicles. It may also help combat scalp conditions, stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, and make hair shiny and soft. That is why thyme makes a great ingredient for shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. Now let me walk you through the secret benefits of thyme for hair growth and thickness. Number 1. Improve scalp health. Nourishing your scalp is crucial for hair growth. While you can orally take supplements and eat nutritious foods, using topical treatments can also improve your scalp health. Using herbs like thyme can do wonders for the scalp. Thyme is rich in flavonoid compounds, including apigenin, luteolin, naringenin, pigenin, and zeaxanthin, which all exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In addition, thyme contains vitamins A, C, and E, as well as phenolic acids, rosmarinic acid, and thymol. These compounds also promote blood circulation, making it easier to deliver nutrients and oxygen to the scalp. With its rich nutrient profile, thyme can help hydrate and moisturize the scalp. Number 2. Stimulate hair growth. When your scalp receives enough nutrients and hydration, it will not only improve blood flow, but will also promote hair growth. Thyme contains rosmarinic acid and thymol, which are responsible for boosting blood circulation. Due to this ability, thyme can support hair cells, resulting in the formation of new hair. The antioxidants found in this herb can also help protect your hair follicles against oxidative stress that may aggravate the onset of androgenetic alopecia or baldness. Thyme extract revitalizes the formation of new hair strands, promoting fuller and thicker hair. So, if you have bald spots or thinning hair, adding thyme to your hair care routine may help. By the way, please help our channel grow by clicking subscribe. Number 3. Natural remedy for dandruff. With its nourishing ability, thyme can also treat common scalp problems, like dandruff. Although it does not damage the hair directly, dandruff causes inflammation and itching that, when scratched aggressively, weakens your hair follicles, leading to hair damage and loss. To avoid this, applying thyme treatment to your scalp can fix your dandruff problems. Apart from antioxidants, this natural remedy contains anti-inflammatory compounds, such as apigenin and apigenin 7 glucoside, which help address the irritation and dryness caused by dandruff. The thymol in thyme is another beneficial active ingredient that exhibits antibacterial and antifungal properties. Because of this, thyme helps prevent the buildup of sebum and eliminates bacteria and germs, causing inflammation. Number 4. Prevent hair thinning. Studies suggest that 1 out of 3 women experience hair thinning. This can be triggered by various factors, including genetics, hormones, lifestyle habits, and certain medical conditions. Hair thinning can also be caused by chemical exposure, inflammation, and bacterial buildup. But do not worry, because this problem can be avoided by using thyme hair treatments. Thyme contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect your hair follicles from damage and inflammation. This herb also contains thymol, which exhibits powerful antiseptic properties. It helps eradicate and prevent the accumulation of infection-causing bacteria, fungi, and microbes that may block hair follicles, leading to hair thinning and shedding. Number 5. May help treat alopecia areata, an autoimmune disease that mistakenly attacks the body's hair follicles. Alopecia areata, or spot baldness, is a hair loss condition that usually happens on the scalp. It is like a coin-sized bald spot where hair does not grow. Fortunately, thyme can help prevent and treat alopecia areata. According to studies, thyme essential oil can help patients with spot baldness, thanks to its ability to stimulate the growth of new hair follicles. This powerful herb is rich in rosmarinic acid and thymol, which help improve blood flow to the scalp. It also contains antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties that help prevent hair loss. As a result, these compounds support hair growth, especially dormant hair follicles, making thyme a great topical herbal treatment. Number 6. Strengthen hair. Aside from that, thyme can strengthen your hair follicles. Thyme is packed with potent antioxidants, such as vitamins A, C, and E. It is loaded with phenolic compounds and flavonoids, including apigenin, luteolin, and rosmarinic acid. These compounds help fight free radical damage that contributes to inflammation, protecting your hair follicles from breakage. When you apply thyme treatments to your scalp, it helps promote blood flow by delivering nutrients to the scalp, promoting hair growth, and strengthening hair. Thus, if you want stronger and thicker hair, use thyme-infused treatment to make your hair more resilient. Number 7. Promotes soft, silky, and long hair. Thyme essential oil is a proven and effective treatment that offers many benefits for your hair. But did you know that thyme can do more than just stimulate hair growth and treat scalp problems? Well, if you are dying to have soft, silky, and long hair, thyme can help you achieve it. Its essential oil is a great treatment to have strong, shiny, and longer locks of hair. It is loaded with magnesium, potassium, and selenium, which helps supplement your hair with sufficient moisture. Therefore, thyme is perfect for those with long hair, giving it lustrous shine. Number 8. Supports darker hair color. Due to its ability to promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles, it is no longer surprising that thyme can help darken hair color. While it does not directly darken the hair, thyme helps enhance hair color. In fact, it has been used for centuries to keep hair darker, softer, and silkier. It is rich in nutrients, especially in antioxidant compounds, that help slow down the aging process. That being said, thyme makes your hair younger by maintaining its natural color and keeping gray and white hair at bay. Let us talk about some safety considerations. But before you use thyme, let us unveil its side effects. People with a mint allergy may experience allergic reactions to thyme, like contact dermatitis, hay fever symptoms, dizziness, and conjunctivitis. Although thyme does not contain mint, this herb comes from the same family. Its essential oil should be diluted before applying to hair and scalp. Thyme is also not recommended to be ingested by children and pets, as it may cause headache, breathing difficulties, and gastrointestinal distress, such as vomiting and diarrhea. If using thyme extract on your hair and scalp, avoid getting it in contact with your eyes, mouth, and nose to prevent its potential side effects. Keep in mind that excessive use of thyme may also interfere with anti-thyroid and blood-thinning medications. What is the recommended usage of thyme? On the other hand, the side effects of thyme outweigh its benefits. Its potential side effects can also be avoided by using thyme in moderation. Whether making a DIY thyme hair treatment or using a store-bought thyme-infused hair product, Simply massage the treatment into your scalp and leave it for around 15 to 30 minutes. Then, thoroughly wash your hair and scalp. If this works for your hair, you may add Thyme treatment to your regular hair care routine by applying it to your hair once or twice a week. Now, here is the part that you have been waiting for. How do you use Thyme as part of your hair care routine? If you are ready to treat your hair problems, here are some easy ways you can add this potent herb into your hair care routine. Number 1. Rinse with thyme infusion. If you prefer to use fresh thyme leaves, add approximately 30 to 40 grams of this herb to boiling water and let it cool down. After shampooing, rinse your scalp and hair with the thyme infusion. Doing this regularly can help improve your scalp and rejuvenate hair follicles. Number 2. Treat your hair with thyme oil. Another easy way to incorporate thyme into your hair care regimen is by mixing a few drops of its essential oil with a carrier oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil. Next, massage the treatment into your scalp and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Thyme oil treatment promotes hair growth and treats scalp problems. Number 3. Nourish with thyme and honey hair mask. Want to make your hair look shinier and healthier? Then the thyme and honey hair mask can do the trick. To create this hair mask, start by making a thyme infusion. Next, add honey to the infusion to moisturize and make your hair shiny. Massage the mixture into your scalp and hair. Leave the hair mask for 20 minutes before washing it off. Number 4. Deep conditioning with thyme and olive oil. To make a deep conditioning treatment, combine thyme essential oil with olive oil. Apply it to your hair, especially on the ends. Then, leave the treatment on for around 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. By combining these two essential oils, you will have strong, soft, and silky hair. I hope that helps, and if you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We upload a new video every Friday at 12 p.m. EST.